Plug in the password safe to the USB port. The gadget will start flashing rapidly during a boot-up delay to give a computer time for starting up. You can interrupt the delay by pressing the rotary switch button. Once the vacuum tube light is green, you can select one of your saved data files. Turn the rotary switch to your desired file. Open the Internet Explorer. With the mouse, select the URL input line, then press the rotary switch button on the password safe. The vacuum tube light will turn red, and the address of the URL is typed into the Internet Explorer. Hit Now Return on the keyboard to open the page. Now move the mouse to the first input field, and activate it for input. Press the rotary switch button to start it. Activate the second input field with your mouse. Press the rotary switch button. Now move the mouse pointer to the Accept button on the computer screen and click on it. That's it. You're logged in.